Hey bug farmers, welcome to Bug Farmer Beekeeping, where we dive into the world of apiculture, beekeeping, and bees every week. This is the place to share laughs, explore bees, and learn together, all without taking ourselves too seriously. To join our buzzing community, it's easy and it's free. Just hit the subscribe button, ring that bell, and let's cultivate beekeeping knowledge and fun together. Now, let's get into the bees. Hi, and welcome back to the channel today. Well, today we are not getting into the hives. Hi, chickens! Are you cold? Are you cold? I would be cold if I was a chicken. Anyways, we're not getting into the hives today. It's a cold morning. I think the temperature right now is about 36 degrees. We've been in the 20s every day since Thanksgiving. We've woken up in the 20s, and yesterday I don't think the temperature got out of the 40s all day long. But at least we didn't get snow like a lot of you folks up north. Now, these hives here at the house are a little bit healthier than the hives that we just saw at the Honey Creek yard. I've actually got one dead out right there on the front, one dead out back there in the corner, and the green box up there behind the tree, you can't see it, it's a dead out. But other than that, we have live colonies here, and they're all doing very, very well, because I was able to dedicate a little bit more time to them, being that they're here at the house. We've even got a colony sitting right there, and they all have a substantial amount of weight on them, and they're doing good. But again, 57% chance of rain, which could turn into snow. I mean, that looks like a snow cloud to me. I don't know. Some of you up north, I'm waiting for the videos. I'm waiting to see Frederick Dunn's videos. I'm waiting to see Brian at Castle Hives videos. I'm waiting to see some videos. I would love to see something from Jim over there at Vino. If you're out there listening to me, Jim, come on, show us your snow. I know you got a lot of it. I saw the lake effect snow move through, oh gosh, Iowa, Chicago, Minnesota probably got some, Michigan got some, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York. And then of course I heard that there's probably going to be a nor'easter hitting Massachusetts. So there you go, there you have it. In the meantime, I've got to do a little bit of work in the shop. I think I'm gonna put some foundation, some frames, maybe melt some wax. You know, the things that we beekeepers do in the off season. So there you go, there you have it. Let's get inside. We'll get the wax melter heated up and all of that. Then maybe we'll jump over to the farm and grab some memory sticks. All right, well, the wax melter is set up and melted, so I'm ready to start waxing frames. I'm not going to show you me waxing frames on camera. We've done it before. Maybe I'll do it in a live stream. I also just finished putting together 20 bee boxes and waxing them, so they're ready for the new bee yard. Anyways, let's jump over to the farmyard, grab that memory stick, and see if we caught anything on the trail cam. All right, we're gonna have to make quick work of this. It just started raining. So let's, before we get the memory stick, let's take a quick walk around. Just to remind you people that I'm not such a bad beekeeper. I got so much hell from that last video. People just piling on. Everybody's allowed to have a bad season. First time I lose any bees during the summer, and I get mobbed. Actually, it wasn't that bad, but there were a few fellas and fellettes out there that took this opportunity to tell me I suck. So there you go, and there you have it. I guess I suck a little bit because I lost a few hives, but all these hives with the bricks laying down, they're all doing good. Strong colonies in there. Now, of course, you're not going to see anything because it's raining outside, and it's probably, what, 50 degrees, maybe 48 degrees. There you go. We do have a couple. I think we have altogether 4 that are dead out. That's a dead out. That's a dead out. That's a dead out. And that's a dead out. But hey, I tell you, it was a tough year, not just for me, but I've seen a lot of news stories as well. A lot of people lost a lot of hives this year, and it's not just YouTubers. It was a lot of commercial folks lost a lot of hives as well. So hey, maybe there's something wrong with the ether. Maybe that's just what happened. But then again, I look around and I see some of my neighbors with nice hives, and their hives did okay. So I guess I just didn't pay enough attention. But I paid enough attention in this yard, and this yard is not in bad shape, let me tell you. These girls are ready to rock and roll in the spring, and I'll probably be getting some splits from here to populate the new bee yard over at the 8-frame yard there. So anyways, we brought the Subaru and not the truck. Let's zip into this thing really quick and see if we can't get any footage of any critters. Do I even have a memory stick in there? We may not see anything because I may not have a memory stick in there, people. Oh no, did I not put one in there? Oh, I did. There it is. A little tiny memory stick. I wish they would put bigger memory sticks in these. There we go. Look at that. Look how small that is. Holy cow. All right, we got it. Let's get out of here before we get soaked. Before we get soaked. There we go. Hopefully we'll see something. I don't know whether the battery lasted or not because, well, the battery died in that thing, and the solar panel only works during the day now, so there you go. Let's see what we can see. Let's get back to the house. that wood. Boy, that's nice wood. I like it. Anyways, looks like our fire's just now taken off. And I know what a lot of you are saying. Hey, don't have a fire in the shop. Don't have a fire in the wood shop. Well, you know what? I'm not going to be generating a lot of dust. And if I do, I've got the old mullet down there that'll suck up the dust. So it'll be okay. We're not going to have the old corn silo explosion down in my basement. That's just not going to happen. But all I've got left to do, folks, I mean, I've got my boxes up there. They're waxed. I had to wax a couple of more 8-framers for somebody else. I've already taken my packages out to the truck to get mailed tomorrow. I've got some wax there that's just about ready to go, just about ready to wax some foundation. I'm going to have to do that. You've seen that a million times with a million other beekeepers. I'm not going to bore you with me waxing the foundation. I'm actually going to kind of take a day off today. Yeah, I know you're wondering, hey, where's Bug Farmer? We didn't even see him in the whole video. Well, you know what? My hair's not combed. My face isn't shaved. It's a day off, and I've got work to do. I've got to work on the router lift here. I've got to put an extended chuck in there so that I can actually get my shaper bit a little bit higher so that I can bring my handles up a little bit higher on my beehives. So there you go. There you have it. That's the goal. That's the plan. I don't have anything else for you. I just really wanted to stop in and say hello today and just let you know what I was doing, even though it wasn't a lot. I know it's a short video, but we did get to see what was going on over there at the farm on the trail cam. Not a lot of good footage, but we did get to see that giant buck walk up on that foggy morning. And another buck got stung. I don't know whether that was a buck. Could have been a doe. Could have been a deer, a doe, a deer, a female deer, got stung in the butt and jumped. But that was kind of neat. But other than that, not a lot happening. So I'm just going to take my day off, enjoy it. I will see you next week. I hope if you like this video, you'll do me a favor. Just give me a like. There wasn't much to like here, but just do me a favor. You stopped in, give me a like. It'll help me with the algorithm. I would appreciate that. If you have something to say, please comment. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, do me a favor, take a moment, hit the subscribe button. I do try to drop a video every Friday. Try to keep it light and have fun. And this is not, I guess it's light. I mean, we didn't have much fun, and there's certainly no bees in this beekeeping video. There's bee boxes. So there you go. There you have it. And we have a nice, warm, cozy fire. So with all that said, be happy. And I'll see you next week. Take care.